Hi guys, on this video I wanna try how the Giglad is working with the Kontakt 8, some drums from the Kontakt 8, and I just need to make some experiment because some guys is ask me would be interesting how is the drums between the DMX sampler, which one is the included inside on the Giglad, and some drum section from the Kontakt. And now I will try and make some experiment. Let's to find some style, maybe pop and rock. Let's to try this one first. Just to add here. Let's to try. Right, this is good stuff. Okay, so we be using this stuff from the experiment. We're going on the memory pool. I have the Kontakt 8. Kontakt 8 is ready. I'm just in the art and need to load from the my Kontakt library some drums just to see, and it would be interesting for me as well because I can remember to make some sound check. Right, the Kontakt 8 is coming now. Excuse me. Let's just in the library is coming. Right, I have on the Kontakt 8 I have some drum set, and let's to going on these drums first, the 50s drums. We're gonna the spring kit. Let's to find it the little kit, maybe autumn kit little. Let's to try. Oh, the white. It's not little, the white. Let's add and would be see what happened. Now is the load. Right, the Abbey Road 50s drums now is ready, and let's to going on the mixer, and would be so this is the drums, the main one. Yes, this is the main drums. Now it's the DMX Sample Studio Kit 2, and I will gonna send it now to Kontakt 8. Now it's playing here. It's possible to give some effect. Yeah, it's working. Here is the effect as well. Right, just to take off. If you use it the arranger now. Have there any problem? Alright, let's just to send it here to port 10, 810 here, just to send it to port 10 as well. MIDI out 10, just to don't be, yes, there. Let's try again. Yeah, it's working. Let's try with the measurement. which is with arrangement have any bug. Maybe should be the contact is this set is bigger and make me pressure on my processor, and maybe the memory, RAM memory should be not enough. I don't know. I have when just in the drums is working good. Anyway, let's to try another set. Maybe the Abbey Road. We tried this set. The 70s drums. Let's to try. I will be out on the Abbey Road 70s drums. Will be open kit full. Let's do this one to have a look how it's working. Right, the Abbey Road 70s drummer now is coming. Let's to try how it's working this style now. This drum set. Send it again. Memory pool, contact 8. Let's try now. It's the contact 8. Yeah, now should be working. Yes, now it's coming. Let's to try another style, maybe this pop rock. This is the similar. Coming here, it should be. Let's do doing like to send it the output 1. We'll send it to MIDI channel 10. Let's to send it to MIDI channel no C the A. We're going to MIDI channel 10, and here we be send it to MIDI channel 10 just to see MIDI out, because that should be the right one. Let's to try again. I think it's not working very accurate. Maybe the contact 8 is so heavy for the Giglad. Let's to add. I have the contact have the contact 5 or 6, should be this one. Let's to try. Think is the little bit light, it's not so heavy. Maybe make the experiment. I think it's not working so accurate from the contact 8 for me. I have the any bug. Should be the my RAM memory and processor should be, it's not enough to working the all together. It's not so accurate, have the any bug, but should be interesting for me as well to see how it's working. Where I use it I made the experiment from the 70 now, and on the 60 let's to going on the Studio Drummer. That is very popular. Will be add let's to add the garage kit white, this one will be try from the this one. This is the contact I think it's 5, this one, or 6. We try. Right, Studio Drummer now is ready, and let's to check. Okay, let's to send it. Now it's working here, but that style is, I think it's not so accurate. Let's to find it. No, it's not good. Let's to find another style. Should be this one. Alright, which is this style? Okay, so let's send it again. I think the problem is the contact 8 as well. Let's to find it, the MIDI channel 10, if I send it here to see, maybe it's better. And if I make the classic view, okay, so the Studio Drummer, that is the contact 6. We try here with this one. This contact is little bit, it's not so heavy like contact 8. We try here to see it's working good or not, or maybe I make some stakes somewhere the contact. Let's try now. Here on the memory pool, let's do, this is the MIDI output channel 1. Let's to change to MIDI output channel 10 and see how it be working with arrangement. With arrangement it's not working good as well. Let's to change to MIDI output channel 9. Let's to change to MIDI output channel 10 and see how it be working with arrangement. With arrangement it's not working good as well. Let's to change to MIDI output channel 10 and see how it be working with arrangement. With arrangement it's not working good as well. Right, let's to try just in the we bit take it some tracks. Just mid channel. MIDI channel 10. It should be put the MIDI channel 1. Maybe that this is the problem. Let's try here, maybe. For me it's not working very accurate. Maybe I make some mistakes on somewhere and maybe I'm not doing some right one. But just in the important for me, I make the experiment from the mistake as well, just to see how it's working, is good or not. Interesting for me as well.